Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Heatshield Products, and today I want to show you how our Muffler Armor are going to complement these Street Max mufflers. So what is Muffler Armor? Let's talk about it. Muffler Armor is a kit designed to shield the heat from your muffler. Muffler Armor includes a 16 by 24 inch sheet of heat shield armor, 3 47-inch ties, instructions, and a sticker. This kit is designed to shield the radiant heat from your muffler from attacking your floorboards with heat, your gas tank with heat, or any other important component that's near your muffler. The bread and butter of this kit is our heat shield armor. Now, why is that important to you? This product will take 1800 degrees constant, and it is a great alternative to exhaust wrap. Exhaust wrap, you have to sit there and roll it and roll it and roll it. This product lays right on top of the muffler or the exhaust, and it is extremely fast and extremely easy to do. All right, so we talked about this alternative to exhaust wrap. Now let's go check out how to install it on a car.